Tammy Slaton, one of the stars of TLC's reality show, 1000 LB Sisters, has faced countless challenges in her life, from lifelong battles with weight and health complications to navigating complex family dynamics under the unflinching eyes of the public. Fans have witnessed her emotional and physical struggles, rooting for her through dramatic weight loss journeys, surgeries, and deeply personal moments that were often broadcast on television. Yet, perhaps nothing has struck as deeply as the recent episode that revealed Tammy's raw and heart-wrenching vulnerability during one of the most difficult days of her life, her major surgery day. What made this moment even more painful was the absence of her sister Amy Slaton, her constant companion and supporter throughout years of ups and downs, leaving Tammy to confront the emotional and physical toll of surgery on her own. The scene that unfolded was devastating. Fans could see Tammy, her normally feisty and determined personality replaced by tears and anguish, struggling to maintain composure as she waited in the sterile hospital environment, hooked up to monitors and IVs, and mentally preparing herself for the intense procedure ahead. Viewer could feel her fear and anxiety radiating from the screen. This was not just a surgery, it was a culmination of years of health battles, dietary struggles, and emotional weight that she had carried silently. The camera captured every nuance of her distress, the shaking hands, the restless pacing, the moments when she clutched her chest, fighting back sobs, and whispering to herself about whether she could survive the ordeal. Tammy's despair was amplified by the absence of her sister Amy. Amy Slaton, who has been her anchor through the most turbulent periods of her life, had been noticeably absent on this critical day. While the reasons behind Amy's absence remain unclear to the public, the impact on Tammy was profound. In interviews and social media posts following the surgery, Tammy admitted that she felt abandoned and overwhelmed. "I thought Amy would be there," Tammy said with a quivering voice. "She's always been my rock, my support. Facing this surgery without her by my side felt like being left alone in the storm." Her words struck a chord with fans worldwide, who empathized with the pain of feeling isolated when facing one of life's scariest moments. The surgery itself was no small feat. Tammy's medical team had prepared for extensive procedures, focusing on removing excess skin and improving her mobility and overall health. The preparation was grueling, requiring preoperative assessments, dietary adjustments, and emotional resilience. Yet, beyond the physical challenges, the emotional toll was immense. Tammy had to summon every ounce of courage to step into the operating room, knowing that the absence of her sister would leave a void in her emotional support system. The hospital staff, recognizing her anxiety, tried to offer comfort, but nothing could replicate the familiarity and reassurance of having a sibling who had shared decades of struggle and triumph. In the hours leading up to the surgery, Tammy's emotions spilled over. Tears streamed down her face as she spoke to the camera about her fears and frustrations. She admitted that she felt betrayed and hurt, but also conflicted, understanding that Amy's absence might not have been intentional. "I don't know why she wasn't here," Tammy said, her voice breaking. "It hurts because I needed her today more than ever. I felt like I was walking into a battle alone, and it scared me." These candid admissions offered a rare glimpse into the inner world of Tammy Slaton, whose tough exterior often masks deep emotional sensitivity. Fans took to social media to express their concern and support. Many shared stories of facing major life events without the people they relied on most, resonating with Tammy's experience. Hashtags flooded platforms, with followers offering encouragement, sending virtual hugs, and assuring her that she was not alone in spirit. Despite the distance, the outpouring of love seemed to lift Tammy's spirits, giving her the strength to confront the challenges ahead. "The love from fans reminds me that I'm not alone," Tammy wrote on social media. "Even when the people you expect to be there aren't, there are still people who care." The surgery itself went according to plan, but the emotional impact lingered. Post-operative recovery is always challenging, but for Tammy, it was compounded by feelings of abandonment and vulnerability. Physical pain, restricted mobility, and the daunting task of adhering to strict medical instructions were intensified by the absence of her sister's comforting presence. In her hospital room, Tammy often broke down in tears, speaking to cameras about the emotional weight she carried. She described moments of despair, wondering if she could get through the recovery process alone, and admitting that she missed the emotional guidance and support Amy usually provides. Beyond the immediate hospital experience, the situation brought up long-standing issues in Tammy and Amy's relationship. While the sisters have shared an unbreakable bond in many ways, their relationship has also been marked by tension, miscommunication, and disagreements over priorities and responsibilities. Amy's absence on this crucial day may have been a result of external obligations, personal struggles, or a misalignment in scheduling, but for Tammy, the emotional sting was undeniable. The episode sparked conversations among fans about sibling dynamics, empathy, and the importance of support networks during critical life events. Medical experts weighed in on the psychological impact of facing surgery without a primary support person. Dr. Elizabeth Harper, a clinical psychologist, explained that major surgery is not only a physical ordeal but also a deeply psychological one. Patients often rely on close family members for emotional reassurance, and the absence of that support can exacerbate anxiety, depression, and feelings of isolation. Even when medical teams are attentive and caring, the presence of a loved one provides a sense of continuity and comfort that is difficult to replicate. Drive. Harper noted, Tammy's reaction is understandable, and it highlights the importance of emotional preparation alongside physical preparation for major medical procedures. In the aftermath, Tammy expressed a mixture of gratitude, frustration, and hope. She acknowledged the efforts of her medical team, praised the support from fans, and reflected on the emotional lessons learned. "I realized that I'm stronger than I thought," she said. "I faced this surgery, this pain, and the feeling of being alone, and I survived. It doesn't mean it wasn't hard, and it doesn't mean I don't feel hurt, but I know I can get through challenges even when I feel abandoned." Her reflections resonated with audiences, offering inspiration and empathy to those who have faced similar emotional hardships. The incident also prompted discussions about family dynamics and public perception. As public figures, Tammy and Amy's actions are scrutinized, and moments of absence or conflict are magnified. While fans may speculate about reasons for Amy's absence, it is essential to recognize the human complexity. Why behind these decisions? Both sisters navigate immense pressures, personal struggles, and public expectations, which can complicate even the most well-intentioned plans. The situation served as a reminder that reality television captures snapshots of life, often missing the nuances and private rise. Owning behind personal choices. Tammy's journey does not end with the surgery. Recovery is ongoing, requiring dedication to physical therapy, nutritional adjustments, and mental health support. She continues to document her experiences on social media, offering followers insight into her resilience and vulnerability. Fans have rallied around her, sharing messages of encouragement, practical advice, and emotional support. The response has underscored the power of community, highlighting how collective empathy can provide strength even in the absence of immediate family support. In addition to her physical recovery, Tammy has focused on healing emotionally from the sense of abandonment she felt. Therapy sessions, candid conversations with friends, and self-reflection have become central to her post-surgery life. She has spoken openly about processing feelings of betrayal, disappointment, and fear, emphasizing the importance of acknowledging emotions rather than suppressing them. "It's okay to feel hurt," she told her followers. "It's okay to cry, to express pain, and to ask for help. That doesn't make you weak, it makes you human." Ultimately, Tammy Slaton's experience serves as a powerful narrative about vulnerability, resilience, and the complexity of familial relationships. Her breakdown, while painful to witness, offers an authentic glimpse into the challenges faced by individuals confronting life-altering medical procedures without their traditional support systems. It also highlights the importance of empathy, understanding, and support from both family and community. Why? For fans of 1000 LB Sisters, this episode will be remembered not only for the emotional drama but also for Tammy's courage in facing one of the most difficult days of her life with honesty, strength, and determination. Tammy's story is far from over. As she continues to heal, both physically and emotionally, her journey will remain a source of inspiration and reflection for audiences worldwide. Her courage in facing the surgery without Amy by her side her willingness to express vulnerability publicly, and her calm commitment to personal growth and recovery exemplify a profound human resilience. Fans and viewers are left with a renewed appreciation for the complexities of love, family, and personal strength, and the reminder that even in moments of abandonment, it is possible to find inner courage, community support, and hope for the future. In conclusion, the episode showcasing Tammy Slaton's breakdown and expression of pain during her hardest surgery day is a testament to the strength and vulnerability that define her journey on 1000 LB Sisters. Amy's absence, while painful, illuminated the deep emotional bonds that underpin their relationship and the challenges that arise when those bonds are tested. Tammy's resilience, authenticity, and courage resonate deeply with viewers, offering a powerful reminder that even in moments of fear and isolation, human beings can endure, heal, and ultimately thrive. Her story encourages all of us to recognize the importance of empathy, support, and understanding, whether through family, friends, or a compassionate community, as we navigate the inevitable trials and tribulations of life. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.